Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Sam Speaks Studio, the podcast where we make English simple, natural, and actually fun to use. I'm Sophie.
And I'm Mark. Hello to our amazing listeners around the world.
Mark, how are you feeling today?
Honestly,
Always.
it's Monday, so not great.
Ah, yes, the classic Monday mood.
Exactly. My alarm rang this morning and my brain said, nope.
Let me guess, you wanted 5 more minutes?
5, more like 50.
Well, today's episode is perfect then,
Why?
because today we're talking about Monday mood versus Friday feeling.
Now, Friday feeling, that I understand.
Of course you do. So, first, let's explain this expression, Monday mood.
Monday mood is how people feel at the start of the week.
And for many people, that feeling is tired.
Very tired.
After the weekend, going back to work or school can feel difficult.
Your bed feels extra comfortable.
And your motivation disappears.
Exactly.
Now let's talk about the opposite, Friday feeling.
Friday feeling is the happiness people feel when the weekend is coming.
Work is almost finished.
Plans are waiting.
And suddenly, everyone feels energetic again.
Funny how that works.
Vocabulary time. Our first word today is exhausted.
Exhausted means extremely tired.
Much stronger than just tired.
For example, I was exhausted after work yesterday.
Or, after a long week, everyone feels exhausted.
Especially on Monday mornings.
Next word, motivated.
Motivated means you feel excited and ready to do something.
You have energy and purpose.
Example: on Friday, I feel motivated to finish my work.
Interesting, many people actually feel motivated on Monday.
Those people are very impressive.
Next expression, burned out.
Burned out means you are mentally and physically exhausted from too much work.
When someone works too hard for too long, they may feel burned out.
That's a sign you probably need a break.
Next word, productive.
Productive means you complete many tasks or achieve good results.
Example, Friday morning is my most productive time.
Really?
Yes, I try to finish everything before the weekend.
That is very responsible.
Now we have a funny expression, drag yourself out of bed.
This means waking up is very difficult.
You feel so tired that getting out of bed feels like a struggle.
Example: on Monday, I had to drag myself out of bed.
Many listeners probably understand that feeling. Our first phrasal verb is wake up.
Wake up means to stop sleeping.
Example, I wake up at 7 a.m. every day.
Or sometimes I wake up at 7:30 because I hit the snooze button.
Next phrasal verb, cheer up.
Cheer up means to become happier.
Example, music always cheers me up.
Coffee cheers me up.
Coffee cheers up half the world. Last phrasal verb, slow down.
Slow down means to reduce speed or take things more calmly.
Example, if you feel burned out, you should slow down.
That's very good advice.
Okay, Mark, be honest.
Uh-oh.
Do you hate Mondays?
Hate is a strong word.
But accurate?
Maybe a little.
Why?
Because Monday means alarms, emails, meetings, and responsibilities.
That sounds like adult life.
Exactly.
Personally, I actually like Mondays.
You're joking.
No, really.
Explain yourself.
Monday feels like a fresh start.
Interesting.
New goals, new plans, new energy.
I wish I had that attitude.
Maybe you just need better Monday mornings.
Such as...
Coffee, music, a good breakfast.
And maybe a shorter workday.
Nice try. Now let's talk about Friday.
My favorite day of the week.
Why do people love Fridays so much?
Because freedom is coming.
Exactly.
When Friday afternoon arrives, people feel relaxed.
Stress suddenly feels lighter.
And people start planning their weekend.
Dinner with friends,
Movies.
sleeping late.
That's my favorite activity.
Let's review today's vocabulary.
Exhausted, extremely tired.
Motivated, excited, and ready to work.
Burned out, mentally tired from too much work.
Productive, getting many things done.
Drag yourself out of bed. Waking up is very difficult.
Wake up, stop sleeping.
Cheer up, become happier.
Slow down, relax, or reduce speed. Now it's your turn.
Which do you prefer, Monday or Friday?
Write a short answer in English in the comments.
For example, I don't like Mondays because I feel exhausted.
Or, Friday is my favorite day because the weekend begins.
We love reading your responses.
If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe to Sam Speaks Studio.
And share this podcast with a friend who hates Monday mornings.
Keep practicing, keep listening.
And remember, English gets easier every day.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
That's it for today's lesson. Thanks for watching. If you want to improve your English, remember to practice every single day. Watch this video at least 4 times a week and repeat daily conversations to improve your speaking skills quickly and confidently. Focus on copying the intonation and pronunciation. This is the secret to sounding natural. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to Learn with Sam for more useful and easy English videos.